So we have seen the 7 layers of IoT, but now we will see in the another way of learning IoT model. So at the bottom is layer 1, that is the things layer. It is comprised of devices, sensors, controllers, as we can see in the figure. Then comes layer 2, which is the connectivity and edge computing layer. This layer defines the various communication protocols and networks that are used for connecting, like connectivity and edge computing. Then the layer 3, that is the global infrastructure layer. This layer typically implemented in cloud infrastructures like public, private, hybrid and managed. That's why we can see it is the layer that is the global infrastructure. Then comes the layer 4, which is also the data injection. So we can say that the data injection is basically related to big data, harvest and storage of thin data. We can say that the layer 4 and layer 5 are related to the data ingestion and data analysis. This includes big data cleansing, streaming and storage of data. Layer 5 is related to the data reporting, mining, machine learning and etc. That's why these both are related to data ingestion and data analysis, because data injection is basically related to big data harvest and storage of data, and then the analysis is done like reporting, mining, machine learning and etc. Then comes the layer 6, that is the application layer. Application layer, that is the sixth one, is comprised of the custom applications that is actually making use of the things data. And the seventh one is people and process. So as a seventh layer, there could be people and process layer that includes people, business, collaboration and decision making based on the information derived from IoT computing. So we can see over here all the layers are connected to the particular layer, like layer 1 and layer 2 are related to fog computing, then layer 3 is related to cloud, layer 4 and layer 5 related to big data, and layer 6 and level 7 related to business value. So this is also another way of learning IoT model, where layer 1 is the things where there are number of devices. Then in layer 2 it's the communication protocol, they are connecting the communication protocols. In layer 3 we are having the global infrastructure. In layer 4 and 5 the data ingestion and analysis is there. In layer 6 we are trying to customize the applications, and in layer 7 they are implemented and used by people and process. So this is another way of learning IoT model, where the 7 layers of IoT models are there. In our next section we will see the machine learning algorithm for IoT. Thank you.